And our company is Advantage Products, formerly Advantage Wiping Products. Hey, babe, tell them what they call me.
I hate that name.
Oh, come on, my nickname.
They call him the Rag Man.
That's right, because I have been in the disposable wiping products business for over 30 years. And being in that business, I often would receive samples of new, innovative products. And from them was born our favorite product,
Jenny's Original Glass Cloth,
which is a non-woven microfiber cloth that cleans
glass,
stainless steel,
chrome,
computer screen,
countertops with only water, environmentally friendly.
no chemical cleaning. All you do is wet one thoroughly, wring it out completely, and clean streak-free. Let us demonstrate. Wring as much water as you can out of your Jenny's cloth. And you're going to do that outside?
I am. I'll be right back.
And you're ready to clean. No chemicals. Just simply a great product. You can see I crank down on it, get as much water as I can out of it, and then just simply wipe. I like to give the window a horizontal and vertical. In just a few seconds, you can see your window drying streak-free. It cleans not only dirt, grease, and smoke.
It also removes pollen, fingerprints, and those doggy kisses from your car windows, and much, much more.
Just wipe, allow a few seconds to dry, you're done. Easy to care for. After you finish, simply rinse out your Jenny's cloth with a little soap and water, allow it to dry. Your 16 by 16 Jenny's glass cloth is guaranteed for 5 years.
Our satisfied customers continue to purchase Jenny's Glass Cloth for family and friends. Since 2004, we have sold over 200,000 Jenny's Glass Cloth all over the USA.
So get your amazing Jenny's glass cloth today at www.jennysproducts.com
or www.jennysglasscloth.com.
and be amazed.
Thank you.